My experience in the school has really been great because it brought me to meet new people, new friends, and it taught me a lot because it brought about, I had some hardships, and this school has taught me that in everything there will surely be hardships, there will surely be problems, but one way, through God and through the help of people around you, you will scale through. And also, I want to give a shout out to my friends, my family, my mom, and also, first of all, I want to give a shout out to Baba God Twali. And I want to give a shout out to people who have been very, very special in my life. Emmanuel Abba, John Oluwayemi, Nkechi, Olamide, my mom, all of them, they have been a blessing to me. And with all that I want, and my favorite quote is also that you should know that with God, all things are possible. But this one thing they say, action without faith without work would make you go nowhere. So with that, I would say act and God would follow. Thank you.